Hi guys, Kinga here, how are you? In today's video, I would like to show you how we build spin the wheel pop-up in Klaviyo and connect it to a Klaviyo flow. So in this example, we did this for one of our clients for St. Patrick's Day, and we have 5 different offers. This is just a simple pop-up that we built with a GIF since there's no other functionality available in Klaviyo. So we have a spin GIF and with 5 different offers. And then the success page basically tells people that they need to go and check your email. We don't want to show what they want or the discount code on a success page. We really want to put them through the flow. And here's this also the teaser, which is a new feature of Klaviyo. So in case they close it or they want to open up again, they can click right here and it will get them back to their offer. So from this spin the wheel pop-up, when they enter their email, they will go into the lottery flow. Now, the lottery flow is built out of 2 emails. I usually, for this particular, because it was a short offer, we've done it 2 emails. One is that fires right away, and the coupon code is good for 48 hours, and then a follow-up next day with a reminder that it expires in 24 hours. Now, the first email, the way it's built, the way we are able to send out different offers is by breaking it down into 5 different versions. So basically each version of the email has a different coupon code. Now, the way you manage and control these tests is by distributing different weight to each email, because obviously you don't want the best offer to go to the same amount of people as your middle offer. So you have a flexibility here where you can assign different weight and control how many people get which offer. So once this is done, and that's done right here, you can do it right here. Now we sort of have kind of like odd numbers, but this is kind of how the client wanted, just to make sure that everything equals 100. So once they enter their email, the system will then decide which email they are going to get. And here's an example of the email, let me see, that they are getting. And basically we are in the email, we are giving them the coupon name, but we are not telling them how much money, how big of a discount they got. And that's kind of the trick with this flow that we do, because we do want to actually make them go through the whole process and put something in a cart. And that's while they put this in a cart and add this coupon code, they will know which one of these offers they get. I like this feature because I feel like really forces people to go through the buyer cycle. So I find it better, like we have a better conversions with it, and I feel also it kind of builds a little bit more anticipation because you're not revealing the coupon code right away. Okay, so now that we have I explained this first email, I want to explain how we do the follow-up, because now we have 5 versions here, and then obviously each version contains a different code, coupon code. So we want to make sure that then each version of this email, it goes, the follow-up email corresponds with the right version of the email. So we can do this by building up these conditional splits. So in this case, we have 5 conditional splits. And then what we need to do is in each split, we need to add a corresponding email number. And to find this, you will go to your email. And then each email, like this is variation A, will have this number. So basically all you need to do is copy this number and then go to your conditional split and then received email, and then where the message equals this number. And that's kind of how the system will know that which version of the email should go uh, to which conditional split and send out the second email. And the second email is basically just a reminder that they only have 24 hours to redeem their coupon code. And that's it. Really, I just want to show you a little bit more of a complicated concept that can be built with Klaviyo forms. So I hope you like this. I hope you're gonna try it in your own Klaviyo forms, with your own Klaviyo forms. And if you have any questions, leave them below, or you can join our Facebook group. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe. I promise to post one video per week. And I also promise to deliver more content that is not educational, because I feel like there's a lot, but more complicated things that people, it's not so easy to get access. So I hope you find this interesting, and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.